Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn, and I am your communications coach or an English coach. We all want to improve our English speaking skills. We follow a lot of traditional methods like speaking in front of the mirror, self-talk, just a minute technique, or the lots of others which we use to become fluent and confident in speaking in English. And that is why I mentioned these as traditional methods. Whatever we do every single day, or however we practice, or whatever techniques which we use to practice English speaking has been used since long, and we all follow that. But today I'm going to talk to you about 3 techniques which are non-traditional, which is something which I have explored and I have invented it, or I have come up with it, which has helped me to improve my English speaking skills, and I'm 110% sure that it's going to improve your English speaking skills as well. So are you ready for it? Do watch my complete video to know what these non-traditional English speaking techniques are. So let's start. So number 1 technique which I'm going to mention here is, which is my favorite, is vlogging. Yes, you heard it right, guys. I know what will be your reaction like. Somebody will say, well, vlogging, not me. But I'm going to tell you how you can start vlogging. So what you do is you can just switch on your video camera and start speaking in front of it. Vlogging doesn't mean that you have to put it on a social media platform. Start speaking in front of a video camera about something, and that's it. You follow a lot of vloggers, right? Somebody speaks about their life, somebody speaks about food, somebody speaks about travel, somebody speaks about a number of things, right? People watch exercising videos, yoga, any other hobby they have, they just watch those videos or those vlogs. So you know how they do it. So try switching on your video camera and start copying them. Try to speak about something which you want to in front of your video camera. And after shooting, the other thing what you have to do is check out the video. See how the video is. How are you speaking? What are you doing there? Whether you are able to express your ideas or not. Whether you are able to make proper sentences or not. So whatever you want to do, you can do it. You want to talk about any of your hobbies. You want to talk about food, what you are eating, just you're reviewing the food, or talking about your favorite food, or your favorite movie, or your favorite series, or your favorite game, or a hobby, etc. Whatever you want to, you can just switch on your video camera and you can start vlogging about it. Okay, you have been to some place, you have been to a restaurant, you have been to a hotel, you have been for a vacation, you have been to a dinner party, you have been to a birthday party, whatever you have done, just come back, speak about it for 5 to 10 minutes in front of your video camera, or rather your mobile, right? And capture it, record it, and see what you have done, how well you have spoken, what are the mistakes, what are the good points, what are the bad points, what need to be corrected. And trust me on this, it is actually going to help you a lot. And it's just fun as well, guys. Don't think of putting it on a social media platform. Refine yourself. Try to gain confidence and fluency talking in front of the camera. And then you never know, if you are fluent and confident, you can just post your videos online as well. Right? So start vlogging. Start shooting yourself in front of your camera and see how it goes. Do it every day for 5 to 10 minutes and you'll see a lot of difference in your confidence, in your fluency, or in your speaking skills. Trust me on this. And it is very interesting also. You'll become more and more creative as well in this way. And creativity definitely leads to improvement in your skills. Number 2, start describing. Right? So every day we do something or the other. We go somewhere, we go to school, college, office, or anywhere, right? For business, for grocery shopping, or anything else. There are lots of things we do every single day. We do talk to somebody. we do meet someone, we do go for a walk, we do go to a gym, or we do a lot of things the whole day, right? So why not we can take one thing and start speaking about it in detail? Or rather, I'll simplify this for you. We can just ask a simple question to ourselves and answer that question. Like, how was my day like? Or how was your day today? Right? What did you do the whole day? Or what are you going to do today? What are you going to do tomorrow? Or what did you eat today? So you can talk about your breakfast, you can talk about your lunch, you can talk about your dinner or snacks, whatever you had. So these are some questions which are open-ended questions, and you can take up each question every day and you can start answering that question in detail. What did you do the entire day, or what did you have the entire day? You have to describe everything in detail. Okay, or if you went somewhere, what happened in that meeting, what happened in the conference, what happened at school, what happened at college, anything, whatever you want to, just come up with a simple question. Why I'm saying that come up with a question? Because it's easier for us to describe things in this way. Because you are answering that question. You know what is the question, what you have to answer. And we have been programmed in a way that we are used to answering questions in a better way than simply speaking on anything ad hoc. So come up with a simple question and start answering that question in detail. See if you're able to do it. You can stand in front of the mirror, you can switch on your video camera and you can record it. Whatever suits you, just start doing it. Just start including this activity in your daily life or this habit in your daily routine, and you'll see a lot of difference. And the third one is tell a story. This is my favorite actually. I have a kid, so every day I have to come up with a story. But yesterday was different. She asked me, tell me a story which has 3 girls in it. This was the description she gave. I want to listen to a story which has 3 girls in it. And it has to be a long story. So I came up with a story and I told her, so you have to be creative. You have to think about something, right, out of the box. So this will help you in thinking out of the box or thinking randomly on any topic. So whatever comes to you, come up with a story around it, right? We imagine a lot of things. We have a lot of imagination, right? Why can't we take that imagination and start speaking about it? We have a lot of dreams. We have a lot of thoughts in mind every time when we look at things. Why can't we get those thoughts and imaginations and dreams and start talking about it in the form of a story? We can do that. I do it every single day. As I told you yesterday, she gave me a specification that you have to talk about 3 girls. Has to be in the story. So I came up with a story which was a long story and it has 3 girls in it. So you can also think about anything. See, we have heard a lot of stories, right? Thirsty crow, Hare and the tortoise, clever fox and whatnot, right? We have heard a lot of stories in Hindi or English or regional language. Try to talk about those stories in English as well, right? A lot of novels, a lot of storybooks we have read or heard about. Talk about it. Any dream of yours, any thought which has come to you, anything which you want to talk about, come up with a story related to it. Your dreams, your thoughts, right? I want to buy a car, I want to buy a house, I want to live a luxurious life in such and such place. We dream of it, right? When we go to a hill station, there are lots of thoughts in our minds like, wow, it's a so beautiful place. Why can't I build a house and stay here in the mountains? So just talk about it. I love mountains. I want to build a house in the mountains. It has to be on heights so that I can have the view every single day. I can see clouds coming inside my house. I can touch them. I can feel them. The air will be so fresh. We'll get fresh vegetables and fruits there. This is my dream place to live in. Sometimes we can go to the city to take a break from this life. Right? So we can talk about it in the form of a story. Your dreams, your aspirations, what are they? They are dreams, right? Which you want to fulfill it. So start thinking about it. Talk about it in the form of a story. Or else you can think about a concept. Think about anything like, today I'm going to talk about a princess story. Come up with a story around the princess. Come up with a story around a celebrity. Anything. You can choose your own script. You can choose your own characters. Take those characters and start talking about it in the form of a story. And see if you are able to do it. If you're able to do it, if you're able to come up with a story, you will definitely be able to improve your English speaking skills. Because you're using your imagination, you're using your creativity, you are trying to express those things which doesn't exist in your words and sentences, right? So if you start doing this, imagine how easy it will be for you to express things which you can see, which you have experienced, which you have already done, which you already know about. So that is why it sounds a little tricky or a little difficult that how will I tell a story like I don't know anything. But it's not difficult. Come up with your character. Come up with a character of your own and start talking about it. Start talking about your dream, about your aspirations. How you're going to achieve it. What do you want to do about it? Talk about it in the form of a story. And you'll see a lot of difference in your English speaking skills if you practice it for 30 days at least. So these are the 3 non-traditional methods which I've spoken about, which are very interesting and which will definitely help you to improve your English speaking skills. So if you're bored with your traditional methods, if you want to try something new and you want to experiment new techniques to improve your English speaking skills, try these and you will find it very helpful. So guys, if you like my channel, do subscribe it, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye bye. Take care.